Hey guys, how's it going? It is hold on. 9:57 p.m. Checking in here on New Year's, making a couple of the last videos for 2008 for the Funny Six. Checking in. We're here in the living room. Nice lights, right? I decorated that tree. Oh, hell yeah. Big ass party. And I came out of the room, the party in the other room. I can't bring the camera in there, sorry. Authorized personnel only. Let's go check on Danny. Who's that? That's me. Look who it is. It's good old Big Danny. I got an ice cream cone. Say hi. Say hi to our viewers. Say hi to our viewers.
She said, Mom.
This is one of our inspiration ladies. Say hi there. Yeah.
Now go away.
Why?
I'm trying to get my hair done.
Say hi to our viewers.
Hi, viewers.
Say hi like you mean it.
Because that thing went up on the net.
What time is it? Oh yeah, I told you the time is. Look at all the wings, the meat pies. That's a big meat pie. The vodka. It's 9:59. Look at the cutie cat. Ow, it's in water.
How did that hurt?
No, it's just wet. Look Chinese, isn't he? Hi. Come on, man. I'm joking, bro. Ew. That's where all the magic happens. On that computer. Yeah. So, back in the living room. Party's upstairs. Can't bring the camera to the party. Authorized personnel only. And well, chicken. Hold on.
My ice creamed.
Your what?
My ice creamed.
Your ice creamed?
Yeah,
It's ice cream. Say bye to the viewers.
What?
Alright, we'll check in with you whenever the hell I feel like it. Bye.